Yes.
Yes.
As a woman, what hardships have you experienced in this discriminatory world?
Well, as a woman, parang di maiwasan yung double standard. Especially, ako, liberated ako. So, lalo na dito sa atin, napaka-conservative ng mga tao. So, hindi lang siya as a woman, but also as a human na very, feeling nila sobrang wild ko as a person. Pero for me, hindi, free lang talaga akong tao. Hindi ako yung parang, ay malandi yan, ganun. Hindi ako ganun. Sadyang free lang ako sa body ko, the way I talk, the way ko express yung sarili ko. So, yun lang yung isa sa mga hardship na nararanasan ko as a woman.
What do you suggest in overcoming the hardships women have faced in this society?
There's a lot of fixing problem from the human empowerment. Just like, pwede mo naman sinasagutin ng diretso. Kumbaga saan mo na yan. Kala ba nila yung ginagawa ng isang ina? Hirap ako kapanaking. And then, they discriminate nila na walang trabaho. Pero, ang katotohanan nun, ang nanay walang day off, walang sahod, puro overtime. Hindi ano na lang yun. Thank you. Ay, salamat. Este Pogyo. Amin. Nang maliit.
What steps do you suggest in making a leap for women?
Una-una, kailangan mo muna respetuhin yung sarili mo bago mo itong tao. Kasi, para pag na-experience mo yung mga pangit na mga sinasabi nila apat sa'yo, kaya mo na siyang ipagtanggol.
Have you ever wondered how many women in our lifetime go through dangerous situations unprovoked? According to the United Nations Organization, more than 2.5 billion women live in discriminatory countries wherein they're restricted to make their own decisions, even hindering their everyday normal lives.
Even with laws supporting women's rights, we're still forced to live in the shadows, enslaved by societal norms. Some don't even have laws supporting them, which according to Womankind Worldwide, over 82 million women don't receive legal protection from prejudicial practices every day.
Like the Sacrificainas and Anglaya, who symbolizes freedom, we unfortunately do not have that kind of privilege in spite of the developing world we have.
That's why our site, Women's Haven, meaning a place of safety refuge where we find solace in each other, was made entirely for the purpose of allowing women to freely voice their opinions and concerns out without judgment.
With us, together we rise for women's rights!